Hi everyone, this is our project on Extremadura, Spain. This is for HBM 350 by Paige Johnson, Norah, Taylor Hendricks, and Addie.
Location. Extremadura is an autonomous community located in the western parts of Spain, sharing a border with Portugal to the west. It is composed of two provinces, Casares in the north and Bajan in the south. Extremadura is one of Spain's larger and more royal regions. Despite its large size, the region is sparsely populated, giving it a wide expanse of natural landscapes. The climate in Extremadura is typically continental, with hot and dry summers and cold winters. The Mediterranean climate, combined with diverse soil types, creates an ideal environment for agriculture activities like viticulture, olive growing, and celery farming. There are many varietals grown in Extremadura. However, the top 5 are Tempranillo, Vertigo, Garnish, Montreal, and Sauvignon Blanc. Tempranillo is one of the dominant red grape varietals in Extremadura, and it is widely recognized throughout Spain for its characteristic balance of acidity, fruit-driven flavors, and aging potential. Known as the notable grape of Spain, Tempranillo forms a backbone for many Extremadura wines. The grape's ability to adapt to the region's diverse territories allows it to produce wine with a deep color, earthy flavor, and a hint of red fruit, along with the elegant structure. The wine made from Tempranillo in Extremadura can range from fresh and fruity to complex and age-worthy, depending on the specific vineyard and wine-making techniques employed. Garnacha, also known as Garnache in French, is another important red varietal grown in Extremadura. It is known for its high sugar content and ability to create wines with rounded tannins, low acidity, and vibrant berry flavors. Garnacha wine from Extremadura often displays bold fruit and spice notes with a characteristic juiciness that makes them approachable to youth. The grape's versatility also allows for the creation of both easy drinking reds as well as a wine that can benefit from oak aging, which adds niches of complexity such as vanilla and tobacco. Garnacha plays a key role in the region's growing wine industry, adding richness and a slight spiced flavor profile to blends. Montreal, also known as Maldoviche in French, is another leading red varietal that flourishes in Extremadura's hot, airy conditions. The grape produces a full-bodied tannic wine that is known for its deep color, dark fruit flavors, and rustic characteristics. Montreal is particularly valued for its ability to adapt to the extreme temperatures of the region, offering rich wines that carry bold aromas of blackberry, plum, and sometimes a hint of leather or earth. The intensity and structure of the Montreal wines make them ideal candidates for aging, with a potential to develop deeper complexity over time. Although red wines dominate Extremadura's wine production, the region also grows a variety of white grapes, including Vergio and Sauvignon Blanc. In the Extremadura region, Vergio thrives in the areas with Mediterranean and continental climates, which offer warm summers combined with cooler nights. The temperature difference helps the grapes retain its fresh acidity, which is a hallmark of the Vergio wine. Vergios are typically crisp and vibrant citrus and herbaceous notes. They can also show characteristics of green fruit, such as gooseberry, and display floral aromas that make them freshening and aromatic, providing a counterpoint to the region's most larger-bodied reds. Sauvignon Blanc in Extremadura is an emerging varietal that reflects the region's distinctive terroir. Due to Extremadura's unique climate, the growing conditions for Sauvignon Blanc are notably different from those in most temperate or maritime regions. The warm days promote full ripening of the grape, resulting in the development of vibrant fruit flavors such as citrus, green apple, and occasionally hints of tropical fruits. Meanwhile, the cooler nights help maintain the grape's acidity, ensuring that the resulting wines are crisp and refreshing. The proliferation of white wines from Extremadura through fewer than the red wines contribute to the region's growing diversity in wines offering.
The financial impact of wine on Extremadura is actually not available due to Extremadura not being a public company. The wines are typically between $42 to $30, and it's known as Spain's second largest wine producing region, even though we don't fully know if that's 100% correct because it is not a public company.
Extremadura is one of the warmer climates in Spain, with cool, damp winters and hot, dry summers. The Guadiana River has an influence on the hot temperatures. The grapes grow best with the cool winters and warm summers. Extremadura, Spain is made up of vertisol soils. It's a clay-heavy soil that expands when it's wet and shrinks when it's dry. This affects the growth and quality of the grapes and wine made. Wine made from the soil can make an overproduction in grapes, which can reduce sugars and flavors.
In ancient times, the wine production in Extremadura dates back to around 550 BC. Then in the 17th century, there was a significant expansions of all the vineyards in the town, which flowed into the 19th century, where they were devastated by 3 different plagues, one being the powdery mildew plague, then phylloxera, and then just regular mildew. And later, post-Spanish Civil War was a recovery period, and then in 1999, the establishment of Ribera del Guadiana, which modernized the wine industry in the town, and then today it is known for diverse and high-quality wine production and experience for tourists.
Some fun facts about Extremadura is it is home to wild pigs that eat acorns, and they're known as Iberian ham when it's translated in English. There are also three towns in Extremadura that speak Afala, which is a language only spoken by 6,000 people. And lastly, Game of Thrones was filmed in 2 different cities in Extremadura. And here are our references. Thank you for watching.